Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best guitar for kids is probably one of the most rewarding instruments a child can learn, fostering creativity and discipline. But with so many options, finding the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore what makes a guitar ideal for young learners, covering size, playability, and features that will keep your child engaged and excited about music. Number 5. Loog Mini Acoustic Guitar for Beginner. This is the perfect guitar for kids aged 3 and up. It's designed to make learning easy and fun, helping them start their musical journey. The unique 3-string design makes learning faster and more accessible. With this guitar, children experience the joy of playing quickly, encouraging them to keep practicing. This guitar is endorsed by educators, ensuring a quality learning experience. It prepares them to play any guitar. Made with real wood and designed for small hands, this guitar offers a genuine playing experience. It features low string action, perfect intonation, and nylon strings for a beautiful sound. It includes chord flashcards, free video lessons, and access to the Loog Guitar app. They can learn at their own pace, making the learning process enjoyable and effective. What we like? This Loog Mini is perfect for the youngest learners, thanks to its unique 3-string design. It simplifies the learning process, making it easier for kids to grasp the basics. If you have a child aged 3 or older who's just starting out, this guitar's design and included app will make learning fun and engaging for them. What people say? It has a great sound. Got these for my 3 and 4-year-olds. The size is nice and it feels more like a real instrument, which is hard to get in this size. I love the cards showing chord shapes and the extra strings picks they include too in a little bag. Nice to have everything together. Number 4. Hola 3/4 Acoustic Guitar Bundle. This guitar features a smooth spruce top with a mahogany back, sides, and neck. With a glossy finish and a rosewood fingerboard and bridge, it's designed to impress. Designed for new players, this 36-inch 3/4 acoustic guitar features a comfortable scaled-down body. It's ideal for young musicians and travel. The set includes a padded gig bag with a front compartment, backpack straps, and a handle. You'll also get 3 picks, a pickguard, a hex key, and a strap. This is the ultimate beginner guitar because it's pre-strung with high-quality D'Addario EXP16 coated phosphor bronze strings. Just tune up and start playing. From starting students to shining shredders, this 3/4 guitar is a timeless present. It's perfect for any mini musician in your life. What we like? The Hola Music 3/4 size guitar is a great choice for beginners, offering a comfortable size and a complete set of accessories. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away, including a gig bag and picks. If you are looking for a guitar that's ready to go out of the box and includes all the essentials, this is a fantastic option. What people say? The sound is really nice and loud, especially for a 3/4 guitar size, and can outvolume my brother's full-size guitar. It stays in tune really well, after the first few tunings the first day, which is to be expected as new strings need some time to adjust. The neck is a little fatter than my brother's full size, but not uncomfortable. Number 3. Masterplay 30 Pink Classical Guitar. Is your child eager to learn guitar? This Masterplay guitar is the perfect start. It's designed to help them begin their musical adventure. Made with linden wood, this guitar is both strong and resonant. The half-steel, half-nylon strings are gentle on small fingers, making it comfortable to play. This package includes everything needed to start playing. You'll receive a strap, extra strings, picks, a case, a tuner, and a capo. With the included accessories, they can start playing right away. The tuner and capo will guide them to the right tunes. This guitar produces real, beautiful sounds. They can explore any music style they like, and this guitar will not disappoint them. What we like? This 30-wood classical guitar is designed with quality materials and includes a comprehensive package of accessories. It provides a real guitar experience with a focus on comfort and playability. If you like the classical guitar sound and want a complete set that includes everything you need to start playing, this is a great choice. What people say? This was perfect gift. Great for beginners. Really durable. It's a strong, well-made guitar. The sound is amazing. Perfect size for a 5-year-old. She was ecstatic when she opened it and realized it was a guitar. Number 2. Beginner Guitar Lessons for Kids book. Are you looking for a fun and engaging way for your child to learn guitar? This book is the perfect starting point. It provides everything they need to begin their musical journey. This book is designed specifically for kids with no prior experience. The lessons are easy to follow and break down complex concepts into manageable steps. It makes learning fun and accessible. Enhance the learning experience with online video and audio resources. These resources provide visual demonstrations and audio examples to help them understand the lessons better. It's like having a personal guitar tutor. With this book, your child can learn at their own pace. They can revisit lessons as needed and practice until they feel confident. This flexibility ensures a positive learning experience. Give your child the gift of music. This book is the key to unlocking their musical talents. Get ready to hear them play their favorite songs. What we like. This book provides structured beginner guitar lessons with online video and audio access. It's designed to guide young learners through the basics of guitar playing. If you are looking for a structured learning experience with video and audio support, this book will be a valuable resource for your child. What people say. Amazing intro book. Great explanation and easy to follow. Wonderful book with online extras. My 11 years old was able to quickly pick up some skills. Easy to read. All in black and white print, photos and chords drawings. I am anxious to see if my granddaughter learns from it. Also has access to video link included. Number 1. ADM 30-inch Beginner Acoustic Classical Guitar. This ADM guitar is perfect for beginners. It comes with everything you need to start playing, including a gig bag and online lessons. It's a great way to learn and enjoy music. The guitar is made with high-quality materials, including laminated basswood and a rosewood fingerboard. These materials provide a comfortable playing experience and produce a beautiful sound. The design will make it your favorite musical instrument. This guitar delivers a clean and amazing sound, comparable to higher-end instruments. The arched back design enhances sustain and produces a fuller sound. You'll be impressed by the quality. This kit includes everything a beginner needs: a case, picks, strap, tuner, and extra strings. It also includes online lessons to help you get started. It's designed to make learning easy and fun. This guitar is ideal for students and young players. Its smaller size makes it easier to handle and play. Starting with this instrument gives you a great chance to fall in love with the guitar. The guitar may need tuning upon arrival, as new strings can be a little tight. Retune it frequently at first, and it will stay in tune longer over time. Enjoy your new instrument. What we like. The ADM Beginner Acoustic Classical Guitar offers a complete package with nylon strings and online lessons. It's designed to provide a comfortable playing experience with a focus on ease of learning. If you like the sound of nylon strings and want a guitar that comes with online lessons, this is an excellent choice for beginners. What people say. Grandson loved this. It seemed to be made very well. Good quality and value. My son loves it. Good for beginners. Came in great shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.